Why are you late? There was heavy traffic on the way here. Why are you smiling? I just heard some good news. Why did you choose this restaurant? It has the best reviews online. Why is the sky blue? It's due to the scattering of sunlight by the Earth's atmosphere. Why are you studying English? To improve my career opportunities and travel more easily. Why did you call me? I wanted to check if we're still meeting tomorrow. Why are you wearing a coat? It's quite chilly outside today. Why do you like him? He's kind and really funny. Why is the office so quiet today? Many people are working from home. Why are you walking so fast? I'm running late for an appointment. Why did they cancel the meeting? The boss has a family emergency. Why is this so expensive? It's imported and of very high quality. Why are you so tired? I stayed up late working on a project. Why did you quit your job? I didn't feel challenged anymore. Why is this important? It directly impacts our project's success. Why are you laughing? That joke you told earlier was hilarious. Why do you want to work here? The company's values align perfectly with my own. Why did you choose this topic for your presentation? It's relevant, and not much research has been done on it. Why are you upset? I lost something important to me. Why did you decide to move? I needed more space and a change of scenery. Why is she crying? She just received some bad news. Why is this locked? For security reasons, only certain people have access. Why do you always take this route? It's the quickest way to get to work. Why did he react like that? He was surprised by the unexpected announcement. Why should I trust you? I've always been honest with you. Why are you saving money? I'm planning a big trip next year. Why did she ignore my message? She's been really busy with work lately. Why do you go jogging every morning? It keeps me energetic and healthy. Why is your phone always on silent? I prefer not to be disturbed while I'm working. Why are dogs loyal? They are pack animals by nature, which influences their loyalty. Why can't I go? It's an adults-only event. Why do you drink coffee every morning? It helps me wake up and feel more alert. Why are you studying so late? I have an exam tomorrow morning. Why did you delete the message? It was sent by mistake. Why did they argue? They had a misunderstanding about the project details. Why is the computer so slow? It might be due to outdated hardware. Why are you avoiding me? I've just been really overwhelmed with work. Why is the train delayed? There are maintenance issues on the track. Why do we need to learn math? It teaches us problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Why don't you eat meat? I'm a vegetarian for ethical reasons. Why is maintaining good posture important? It helps prevent back pain and other physical issues. Why did you change the channel? I prefer watching the news at this time. Why are you always on your phone? I'm managing several projects and need to stay connected. Why do you wear glasses? They help me see better. Why did the lights go out? There must be a power outage in the area. Why are you cooking dinner tonight? I want to surprise my partner with a homemade meal. Why do we have homework? It helps reinforce what we've learned in class. Why is she always late? She has a long commute. Why do we use seat belts? To keep us safe in case of an accident. Why are you selling your car? I'm planning to buy a new one soon. Why do leaves change color? As days get shorter and colder, trees prepare for winter, causing leaves to change color. Why are you so happy today? I got promoted at work. Why do you take the bus? It's more economical and environmentally friendly than driving. Why is she avoiding gluten? She has celiac disease, so gluten makes her sick. Why are they protesting? They want to raise awareness about climate change. Why do we have to pay taxes? Taxes fund public services like schools, roads, and hospitals. Why did you paint your room blue? Blue is calming, and I want my bedroom to feel relaxing. Why do you go to church every Sunday? It's part of my faith and helps me feel connected to my community. Why is honesty important? It builds trust and credibility in relationships. Why do you prefer tea over coffee? I find tea less harsh on my stomach than coffee. Why did they build a new library? The community needed a larger, more modern space for learning and events. Why do you take vitamins? To ensure I get enough nutrients in my diet. Why are they renovating the park? To make it safer and more enjoyable for the community. Why do you like winter? I love snowboarding, and the cozy atmosphere of the season. Why do you have a pet? Having a pet reduces stress and brings joy to my life. Why is water conservation important? To ensure we have enough water for future generations. Why are you volunteering? I want to give back to the community and help others. Why do you prefer shopping online? It's more convenient and often cheaper than shopping in stores. Why is it important to exercise? Exercise improves health and increases lifespan. Why do you meditate? It helps me manage stress and improve my focus. Why are you so organized? Being organized helps me manage my time and tasks more efficiently. Why do you have a bedtime routine? A routine helps me wind down and get better sleep. Why don't you drink alcohol? I don't like the taste and prefer to stay healthy. Why do you like horror movies? I enjoy the adrenaline rush and suspense. Why do you want to be a leader? I want to make a positive impact and inspire others. Why did you choose to study abroad? To experience a new culture and expand my perspectives. Why do you recycle? To help reduce waste and protect the environment. Why is the beach crowded today? It's a public holiday, so many people are off work. Why do you drink so much water? Staying hydrated helps me maintain my energy levels. Why do you follow a routine? It helps me be more productive and ensures I don't forget anything important. Why do you like to cook? Cooking is therapeutic for me, and I enjoy creating delicious meals for my family. Why do you take a nap every afternoon? A short nap boosts my energy for the rest of the day. Why did you become a vegetarian? For health reasons, and because I care about animal welfare. Why do you prefer handmade gifts? They are more personal and often involve more thought and effort. Why is teamwork important? It brings diverse skills together and often results in better outcomes. Why did you start your own business? I wanted to be my own boss and pursue my passion. Why do you listen to podcasts? They are informative and a great way to learn new things while multitasking. Why do you save money? To ensure I have financial security and can afford big purchases. Why do you like camping? It allows me to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. Why do we need sleep? Sleep is essential for our bodies to repair themselves and for our brains to consolidate memories. Why are bees important? Bees pollinate plants, which is crucial for food production. Why do you prefer writing with a pen and paper? It helps me remember better and feels more personal. Why do you avoid fast food? It's often unhealthy, and I prefer eating nutritious meals. Why is it important to vote? Voting is a key part of democracy and helps decide how our society is run. Why do you use a planner? It keeps me organized and helps me keep track of my appointments and tasks. Why do you play sports? It's fun and keeps me fit and socially active. Why do you study so much? I want to get good grades to secure a scholarship. Why do you take the train instead of driving? It's cheaper, and I can relax or work during the commute. Why do you watch the news every day? To stay informed about what's happening around the world. Why do you love teaching? It's rewarding to see my students learn and grow.